Understanding Let Love Prevail, a deep dive into meaning and usage. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and profound phrase, let love prevail. This phrase is not just a collection of words, but a powerful message that resonates deeply in various contexts. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding the nuances of such phrases can greatly enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in. Let love prevail might seem simple, but it's rich in meaning. The word, let, is a verb that means to allow or permit something to happen. Love is a deep affection or fondness towards someone or something. And prevail means to be victorious or dominant in a situation. When combined, the phrase is a wish or a hope that love should overcome or be the guiding force in a given situation. In Let Love Prevail, love is not just a feeling but a guiding principle or force. It suggests that in any situation, whether a conflict, decision-making, or daily life, love should be the primary influence or deciding factor. This phrase often implies a hope for peace, understanding, and compassion over negativity, hate, or aggression. This phrase can be used in various contexts. In personal relationships, it suggests resolving conflicts with love and understanding. In a broader social or global context, it's a call for peace and harmony in the face of discord and division. Let Love Prevail is also popular in speeches, literature, and songs, where it's used to inspire and motivate people towards kindness and empathy. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. In the midst of their argument, they remembered their promise to each other. Let love prevail. The community leader's speech ended with a powerful note. In these challenging times, let love prevail. The song's chorus, Let Love Prevail, became an anthem for peace movements. Let love prevail is more than just a phrase. It's a powerful message that encourages us to choose love, kindness, and empathy in our actions and interactions. I hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, in all that you do, let love prevail.